I'm going to show you how today, with 100% certainty, what the Federal Reserve is going to do this afternoon, and it might be great news for those home buyers and homeowners out there. So without further ado, folks, let's get to today's news so I can explain to you guys what the Federal Reserve is going to do later this afternoon. Join us then. We're going to be live. I'm going to tell you what the Federal Reserve is going to do, but it's the after party that we're really interested in, because the new Fed chairman, he was handpicked by President Trump. He's going to come out in front of the media and start telling us all the stuff that's happening behind the scenes. That's when it's going to get interesting. So join me later this afternoon on that live event. But if you're watching this video, most likely you're just trying to figure out what in the heck's going to go on with these and the whys behind it. Well, I got good news for you, folks. Today I'm going to tell you with 100% certainty what the Federal Reserve is going to do. Reason why I do these videos. My name is Dan Frio. I'm actually a federally licensed mortgage loan officer. I'm licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. So if you need some help with a mortgage, I'll give you all my information at the end of this video. But without further ado, let's get to today's news. So yesterday when we saw mortgage rates, they ticked down another 0.02%. That's getting us at least in the range that I've been predicting. I said during the Iranian war, we're going to have rates between about 6.25% and 6.5%. Remember, we were at like 5.99 before that. But let's get over to see where the markets are starting the day. So I like to start each day with the chart. So here's what you need to understand. All you have to look at is this over here. As long as it's green, that's good news. That means mortgage rates are getting better. The bad news is that number up through there, it's at 6 right now. We need at least 10 for mortgage rates to actually move. So we'll get back to this at the end of this video, and I'll also give you my forecast. What I'm advising our clients right now that are coming in with contracts, those that are house shopping, those are looking to build a house, and those homeowners out there looking to refinance. So let's get over where the market's up at 6 right now. I'll give you my thoughts on what's going to happen later today. And the first thing is Kevin Warsh. He's the new Fed official. He was handpicked by Donald Trump because he said he would cut rates, and that's what President Trump wanted. But I'm going to show you the data that he looks at, and then you tell me down below what you would be doing into this market. But I'm also going to show you how, even though the Federal Reserve might not do anything, or maybe might even push up rates, how I think mortgage rates are going to get back down to 5.99. Doesn't sound logical, right? Well, let's get over to it. So here's what we're looking at right through here. Here's what the Federal Reserve looks at, okay? They control that number over through there. It's a federal funds rate. It's actually, let's say, for example, Citibank, at the end of the day, they need to close their books, and they need to have X amount of money in reserves, but they're short. So what they have to do is go out to another bank, get money lent to them overnight, and that's the rate that they pay over through there. Well, that's controlled by the Federal Reserve.